What's up, guys? So we are rolling over to lovely Yuma, Arizona. We got Gidget here co-piloting, the man of mystery behind the wheel. We're going to pick up, so I got rid of the Rentmobile, it's gone. We are going to Yuma to pick up an electric golf cart, which I'm gonna bring back to my place in Scottsdale, and we're gonna do a build on, because I'm trying to replace all the vehicles for the business with electric vehicles. So had to give up the side-by-side. We're gonna miss her. She was a great Rentmobile, but gonna get electric. Gidget is gonna be much happier because she now doesn't have to walk to the dog park once we have this. And interestingly enough, we're actually gonna do a trade for this thing rather than spend money. So we've got some things back there. We won't say exactly what they are. They're just related to the Second Amendment of the Constitution.
America.
So we're gonna trade these for this gentleman's golf cart, put it on the trailer, and then haul it back to Phoenix. So it is Thursday morning. I am headed down to Chandler, Arizona right now to source a battery for this new golf cart. This build's been actually a lot of fun. Bit of a pain in the ass. There's some cleanup work and some nastiness to do. But I found this random guy on eBay. Don't ask, I know it's probably a terrible idea. Turns out he's down in Chandler right by my dentist's office, so I have a dental appointment anyway. So we're gonna go to this guy's place. He builds golf cart batteries out and also solar batteries out of electric cars. So like if like my car, I'm actually going to get a BMW i3 battery this morning. So it'll be a 92 amp hour, 48 volt setup, all lithium ion, German made, all that sort of good stuff. But he builds batteries out of salvage car packs. So I'm super excited to see what's up. We're gonna put a 92 amp hour pack in this thing with a 600 amp controller and a Plum Quick motor, and it should be a kick-ass rig for riding around Old Town. But I'm super excited to see this battery thing because this is the part of electronics that I don't understand all that much. So hopefully this guy will let me film a little bit and we can get some good pointers. And obviously if you need a battery, go check him out. AZ Lithium, I think, is his site on eBay, but he builds all kinds of crazy stuff. So anyway, follow along and we'll do another one here as soon as we get there. So we just went and saw Jimmy, who runs the eBay store Arizona Lithium. Super cool dude, runs it out of his garage. So we're down here in Chandler in kind of suburban land. I don't know if you can see back behind me, but we got a charger, and then we've got 4 brand new battery packs out of a Honda Clarity Hybrid. So these are lithium packs. Each cell's about 3.95 volts. They give me about a 49 volt charge out of each one of them. And so we're gonna parallel 4 packs here. We got about 108 amp hours worth of capacity and not a lot of weight. What that means for those of you who don't care about that sort of thing is that this cart is gonna have a ton of power and it's going to haul ass, which to me is the important part. So anyhow, super cool dude. If you need batteries, he builds them in his garage with all kinds of modules. Pretty impressive operation. Check him out, AZ Lithium. He sells on Craigslist here and then also on eBay. But super cool dude, very knowledgeable, did a bunch of solar work, and that's that. So anyway, we're gonna get these things home, fab up a battery tray and some bus bars, and call the motor guys one more time and see where the hell my motor is, because I wanna get this thing on the road. All right, so we're putting Humpty Dumpty back together again. I know this thing looks pretty rough right now. So this is our new charge controller. That's an Alltrack 600 amp right there, 48 volt. So the model is SR48600. Over here, we've got our DC to DC converter wired in. We gotta get some splicing, but that's gonna provide 12 volt electrical power to the distribution block right there to run all the auxiliary systems. So again, little by little, but making progress here, and this thing is going to be awesome whenever the F it gets done. So we're here in the garage, Gidget's helping out right there, and we're wiring up this cart. I know it looks like a disaster at the moment, but I'm having a lot of fun with this build. I'm having to do like an hour or 2 every day just because I have, obviously, real estate to run and all that other stuff. Right now, we are putting in the DC to DC converter. What that's gonna do is it's gonna take power from our battery packs, which are right there. Those are out of a Honda Clarity Hybrid. It's gonna take power out of those, which is 48 volts, and convert it to 12 volts so we can run like lights, radio, all that kind of stuff. So I'm laying everything out, trying to get it drilled, all new hardware, all that kind of stuff. But I'm super pumped about this cart. We got to get the motor guys moving because they're the slowest part. Once that ships in, I get the rest of my parts. We got put all together. So I got the paint done, got the frame restored, and gonna basically start laying out the wiring and the high voltage cables and make this baby run. And I am super pumped because Gidget, right there. Hey Gidget needs her cart back. Talk to you later.